Hello, in this video I want to show you how to find your Google Pixel tab if you lost it somewhere in the room and you can't find it. And to do this we'll be using a Google Assistant, so make sure that you've set it up and also enable it for a lock screen and activate Hey Google. Now when it's ready we have a few different options. So first one is Hey Google. Hey Google, where are you?
I'm stuck inside a device. Help. Just kidding. I like it in here.
And it will make a sound, so that will be easy to identify where you lost it. And also you can try to play any music using YouTube or YouTube Music. Just ask to play a certain song and it will start playing a song, so that will be even louder. And it should make it even more easier to find it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.